Today, I am pleased to be here before you with my counterparts from Ethiopia and Somalia, my brothers Taye Haske Selassie and Ahmet Muallim Fıkhi. Turkey, with its long-standing relationships and extensive cooperation with both Ethiopia and Somalia, has assumed the role of facilitator. Our commitment to peace, diplomacy, and goodwill drives us to establish dialogue and find common ground where possible. Today, we find ourselves in a very privileged position. The strong confidence and the mandate both sides vested in President Erdogan and in Turkey strengthen our belief that we are on the right path. During our talks, both with my colleagues and among the delegations, we were able to elaborate on all of the discussion points. These deliberations have allowed both parties to express their sensitivities in detail and enabled all sides to get a better understanding. It is no secret that due to the complicated nature of the many dynamics at play, we will need further reflections on this issue. In light of what we heard today, we remain hopeful for the future. The ministers agreed to meet in Ankara to have a second round of discussions on the 2nd of September 2024. We have agreed on a joint statement which will be released after this briefing. I do believe that we made a good progress today. I thank my colleagues for having to come to Ankara, both of them. Our teams will continue work together in good faith and prepare for our next meeting in Ankara. Thank you very much.